just move you for a minute. There we go. Yep. I had picked these out of this guy about a week ago. So now it's time to rescue the remaining potatoes. We're just going to put you guys right there for now. Oops, sorry about that. There you go. Where are they? Here we go. Holy crap. That was heavy. That's 20 liters of soil and dirt in there. The question is, how many potatoes are in there? There we go. Still a while for those ones. But let's start digging through. And there. I really should have brought something to put those in. Almost seems like I'm in for a disappointment. Actually, let's just bring this over here so I can put some of this dirt back in there. Make it easier for me to dig through this. Wouldn't it be funny if those four are the only ones? That would make a total of 6 I had in here, because I did, at one point I wanted to see if they were ready, and I had pulled out 2 at that time. But so far it seems like it's a... Oh, look at that little one. Like, really? Oh, there we go. Gross. Oh, so I guess they were closer to the top. Sometimes you talk too fast, Kim, and you don't wait to see what's going on. I should have just stuck my hands in and dug it out. Oh, you don't belong in here. Bye-bye. Yeah, see, they were mostly towards the top. Those are beautiful little new potatoes. They're gonna make a nice dinner tonight. I think I'll have some roasted potatoes. Yuck and gross. I should actually just keep those separate. We'll end up using this soil for something else later. There's nothing wrong with it. It's good, healthy soil. That shit will go in the compost bin directly, though. A lot of little guys. Those ones, you just wash them off, you keep the skins off them. Someone suggested in one of my videos about potatoes last year, just boil them up. They're all good like that. You really have to turn this a lot, because you think you get everything, and then you go through it, and you always find 1 or 2 that don't want to be found. That's the tag. These are Yukon Gold potatoes. seems to be nothing wrong with what I have in here. It's all good. There we go. These are going to make some nice roasted potatoes over the next little while. Even just plain old boiled potatoes. Juan's not a big lover of boiled potatoes. He's a mashed potato fanatic. I like potatoes almost any which way. Even with the... boil those up with the skins on, because the skins are nice and thin. Really nice tasting. It was one of the favorite ways to eat potatoes when I was growing up. My mom would, unless they were baking potatoes, she would never, I wouldn't say never, she quite often just, scrubbed them so they were clean, left the skins on them, and then just boiled them up like that. You just take a fork and mash them up on your plate, add a little bit of butter. So delicious. Oh, I think that's it. I'm not seeing anything else turning up as I turn all this around. Oh, gross. I hate when you put your hand in the old, the seed potatoes. I could just go to mush in there. But I think I have found everything that was in there. Yeah. I'll give it another go later. Oh, don't step on that stuff. I'll give it another go later on, but it looks like I got it all. So, there's the take. That's potato harvest number 1 for this year. Which, there's 2 or 3 meals there for us. Like I said, Juan loves his potatoes, so a lot of potatoes get eaten in a meal sometimes. But I still have these 2 to do, which they're not ready to be looked at yet. They're still dying off, so I'm just going to let them die off. And I have 2 more over there that are starting to die off as well. And there's the potato tower right there, which is still dying off too. So over the next few weeks I'll have a harvest here and there. Found this in my garden a while ago. The weather was really cold in May, and I read somewhere that, because carrots, if you want to collect seeds, you collect them the year after you plant them, right? But sometimes they say that if the weather turns cold, it tricks the plant into thinking they went dormant and they'll seed, and I guess this guy got fooled. But that's good, because I want to collect seeds for my carrots, and this is a Pusa rudera, which is an Indian carrot. I think it's red. So I'm more than happy to collect the seeds. Well, it looks like 2 of them went to seed, actually. 2 of them. 3 of them went to seed. Wow. Oh well. The other ones are all good, so we're fine with that. Some of these carrots are almost ready to go too. I picked out one of these. This is a, what is this one? Oh crap. Cosmic Purple. I have to redo the things on these ones, and this is an amarillo, yellow. It's a yellow carrot. They're starting to actually, let's just pull this guy up because they are ready to go technically. Nice, eh? Nice carrot. And let's just feel for one of these cosmics and see which a good one. No, not that one. I guess this one here. Look at that. Isn't that a beautiful color? If you want to keep that color, though, you have to just scrub it. You can't peel it because it peels back to an orange inside. So you can see it right there. Nice carrots, though. think I'll clean those up and I'll have those for dinner too then tonight. Why not? It's good to have some fresh produce, right? Are these ready to go too? Yeah, well, let's... Oh, nice. Nice. Quite nice. Maybe, should we get another red one? Yeah, why not? Or purple, whatever. Oh, I'm gonna have to come over here. Oh, really, guys? I just stepped on my carrot. Look what they're doing. Friggin' birds. They're awful this year. They just tear everything out of the garden. Why don't they do the weeds for me? Where was it? This one here. There we go. There. A couple of nice carrots for dinner tonight. To go with some of these nice new potatoes. I'm happy about it. Yeah, very, very happy. Look at those. Well, we'll see you at the next potato harvest. And some other harvests in between too. Thanks for hanging out with me though. We'll catch you later.